Okay, my friend, I am back with my first daily trading review of my new day trading service where we use my YouTube live stream, which is streaming 24/7 two of my most powerful trading indicators. And in this video, we'll go over that and we'll go over the actual trades that receive signals, or the assets that receive signals yesterday. So before we get into the video, I'm Will Simpson, aka the FX Ace, and if you're new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay, so I'll just hide my face here, and okay, so this is the live stream. Okay, and if you're on my email list, you would have seen this, and I've sent this out to you today via my email newsletter. Okay, so this is what we're looking for the actual signals. Okay, if you want a free strategy for using it, head over to the live stream and you'll be able to download a PDF. I will give you a strategy how to use this best. So what we look for is what we'll go over now, yesterday's trades. Okay, so this is the image and the Excel spreadsheet that is sent out to clients, and you, if you're on my email list, which you can join below, okay, each and every day. So different trading sessions. What I'm actually doing here is giving good levels to get good signals at. Okay, so if a signal occurs at these levels, it is a high probability setup. Okay, I also split them into Euro, Asian, and US sessions. Okay, most of them you can trade any session, and that will get changed today. But some people just like to trade one session, so I split them up into different trading blocks. Okay, there was no trades yesterday in the US session. Okay, none of these levels actually triggered on those three positions. We did get a good trade on the British Pound USD, a good buy signal at 131. Okay, and we'll go over that on the charts in a minute. A nice signal on the Swiss franc JPY. Okay, the way it works is, so this is the entry level. Okay, and what we actually do is start looking for signals in this pip range before it hits that area. So the level on the Swiss franc Japanese yen was sell at 132.4. Okay, within it, so we can start looking to sell at 132.2, and any signal that happens above 132.4 we can enter. Okay, no matter where it is. Okay, so as long as it is 132.4 above, we can trigger it. Same as the British Pound USD. Okay, we can start looking for signals at 131.200, but can take any signal under 131. Under 131. This goes with all these assets. Okay, so pretty simple concept. Okay, the time frames we're looking for is 15 and 30 minutes signals on it. We can also look for trades in the 5-minute charts, but there tends to be a lot of them, and the more accurate signals and the better trades, as you'll see over the next 10 days if you're on the free trial, is you will see better trades happen on the 15 and 30-minute charts at the recommended levels. Okay, we do have one trade in the Asian session today, okay, which is currently active on the AUD Kiwi. Okay, so we'll just head over the charts. We'll get things up here. Okay, this is the signal dashboard. Okay, I'm just going to open the first one here, which was on the British Pound USD. Okay, and if we look at the 30-minute chart from yesterday, this was it here. Okay, this was the signal that occurred. Okay, you can see it happened at 1:30. The candle closed at 1:30.827. Okay, and you can see it went up nicely there. Okay, till this morning. We'll just get the period separators on this. Okay, so the close of the candle, the signal stays on the dashboard. Close a 30-minute candle, and you can see we closed that this morning in the Asian session. Got around about 25 pips on it. Was a nice trade. It did drop back down this morning and back up. Again, we close at the end of the trading day or before the next signals come out. So that was a nice trade in the British Pound USD. okay, yesterday. Okay, super simple. It's very simple to use this. You just have it set at, you can see my level yesterday was 131 that it was set to buy at, 131. Okay, 20 pip buffer. Okay, it actually went below 131 and the signal happened 20 pips below, which is even better for us. Okay, and a nice trade on it, 25 pips profit. Next one was on the the Swiss franc Japanese yen. Okay, we'll just pull it up, open the chart. It was a sale. Okay, the AUD pairs yesterday, the JPY pairs yesterday in Asia and early European sessions absolutely went through the roof. And you can see this is the signal here that happened. In the 15-minute charts here, just zoom in, we'll get the period separators up. Okay, and see our entry on the spreadsheet was, our entry level was, sorry, that's this week's trades, entry level was 132.4. Okay, so we're looking for sell trades above around 132.2 to 132.4 or 132.4. Any signal that happens at 132.4 above. Okay, and you can see the signal happened here. Okay, we got a huge drop from it. Okay, and I closed this out in the early US session yesterday. But you can see the nice drop on it. Again, if you get the signals on the email list, once the trade goes into 15 pips, 20 pips profit, we close 50% of the position and move our stop loss to break even. Again, this was a nice one to take, and you can see how accurate these signals are when they occur. Okay, and the entry was here in the close this 15-minute candle, and a nice day trade. The max drop there was 70 pips. It did start to go against me a little bit more, so I closed out and got around 50 pips profit on it. Okay, but again, from the start we had locked in 20 pips from the start. Okay, and last but not least is today's Asian session trade on the Aussie Kiwi. Okay, we're in about 5 pips profit at the minute. I'll probably close this soon going into the next session. Okay, you can see 108.4 was the entry level. We're looking to take entries around that level. 10 pip buffer, which means we can start looking for signals at 108.300. Okay, 15-minute, 30-minute signal. Okay, we got the signal here this morning. Not long ago on the 30-minute charts, there was nothing on the 15-minute charts. The 30-minute charts give the signal. Okay, and you see we're currently in a bit of profit. This might actually break down a little bit further. We will see very soon, but I will close this before the new session opens. Okay, so that's the 3 trades that we got off the list yesterday. Again, the way I've put this out is we're not taking every signal as it occurs. We're getting the best levels, and when a 15-minute and 30-minute trade occurs at these levels, it is a high probability position, and you can see all 3 of our trades have made profit yesterday off this list. Okay, so we've got a list of assets trading levels, but we're only getting the highest probability trades with a likelihood of success. Okay, if you want to access a free trial for the next 10 days of this service, sorry about the lighting behind me, I've got my curtains open this morning, the sun hasn't come around yet. So yeah, if you want to get a free 10-day trial to this service, simply join the email list below and you'll start receiving these setups, these entry levels and Excel sheet every single day from now on. Okay, so thanks for watching. Will over to fxace.com. Happy trading, and I shall see you tomorrow on the next daily breakdown.